In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a project from GitHub. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. This is the home base for millions of open source and private projects. You don't need to sign in just to view or access public code, so heading straight to the site is enough for what we're doing here. If you already have a direct link to the project you want, you can paste it into the address bar. Otherwise, use the search bar on GitHub's homepage to locate the repository by its name. Once you're on GitHub, click into the repository named Sample Project. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the project's file list, a description, and usually a README that explains what the project does. Take a brief moment to scan the README for context. It often includes setup notes, requirements, and a quick start guide. This helps you understand what you're about to download and how it should run on your machine. Inside the repository's file list, find and click the file named env.example. Many projects include this example environment file to show you which configuration values are needed, like database URLs or API endpoints, without including any real secrets. It's a safe template you can copy locally to create your own .env file later. Opening it inside GitHub lets you preview the exact keys the project expects. With the .env.example file open, click the Raw button near the top of the file view. Raw mode strips away GitHub's interface and shows the file as plain text. This is helpful when you want the content exactly as is, with no extra formatting. It also makes it easy to bring the file into your local setup accurately, line for line. Next, highlight the content you see on the Raw page. Move your cursor to the start of the first line, then drag down through the file. The goal here is to select the entire example configuration so you can work with it in your environment later. If the file is long, take your time and make sure you've reached the end. Finally, ensure everything is highlighted from the very first character to the last. A clean, complete selection prevents missing keys or stray spaces that can cause configuration errors. When you're confident the full file is selected, you're set to use this example as the basis for your local environment file. And that's it. You've navigated to GitHub, opened the project, previewed a key configuration file, switched to the Raw view, and highlighted the exact content you'll need to set up the